What is going on, everyone? It's Ultimate Spy 53 here, and welcome to the reaction video. This one's called YTP Mr. Incredible Destroys Buildings by YTP. So this is obviously a Incredibles 1 YTP. I'm doing a bunch of YTPs based off the Incredibles movie because the second one's coming out really soon. A week of Incredibles YTP reactions because, again, the second one is coming out really soon. So I want to have a little fun and kind of go back to memory lane and just kind of like look at the old classic. I'm going to be seeing the original anyway. So yeah, the original link to this video will be in the description. Make sure to subscribe to YTP. That link will also in the description, and hopefully it'll be pretty funny. And let us go ahead and begin.
I'm not happy.
Of course he's not.
Bon voyage. No, you're that kid from the fan club. Hey, look. I've been nice, but now you have officially carried it too far. Now you just stay here. Bon voyage.
Oh,
Hey, Frozo! Shouldn't you be getting ready? Holy smokes, I'm late. I still got time!
oh. Oh dear. Oh.
Mr. Incredible has died.
Take this one home and make sure his mom, Bon Voyage, knows what he's been doing. The blast in that building was caused by me. Now, we might be able to blast that building with bombs if we set up a perimeter. Holy smokes. I still got time! I really gotta go. What about... backstabbing?
Windows 95?
Mr. Incredible, oh, Mr. Incredible.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh, man.
I'm just here to help. You broke something.
Mr. Incredible has been sued for killing someone who apparently didn't want to be killed.
What? Still having some. Oh god! Goodness gracious.
Hey, Speedo. Hey, Helen. Bye. Jack.
Nice of you to drop by.
Oh. What?
Darn you, we can't blow cover again.
The building was coming down anyway.
What? You knocked down a building?
I performed a public service. You act like that's a bad thing.
Knocking down a building is a bad thing, Bob.
It was just a little workout.
Darn you, we can't blow a building?
The building was a bad thing.
I can't believe you don't want to go to Midtown. No.
Because that's a bad thing.
Sit down, Bob. Sit down.
Thanks, but no.
Bob, sit down.
Did I do something illegal?
Sit down right now, or you're fired. I'm happy, Bob.
Why?
Your face makes me
Ecstatic.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Bob.
We're supposed to mug customers?
No.
Are you saying we shouldn't?
No. Bob, we're supposed to help people, starting with the power people. Stop right now, or stop left now.
What? Left now?
Close the door. Close the door.
Oh, yeah, nuts.
You should keep doing this, Bob.
Oh, hey, no jump.
I think you've got the wrong room.
Wait a minute.
What?
After you chose the last one, I had to make some major modifications. Sure, it was difficult, but you are worth it. I mean, after all...
Oh, God.
Bon voyage.
You, sir, truly are... You know, my name is not Bunny!
Bunny?
And it's not Syndrome either. That ship has sailed. All I wanted was to help you. I only wanted to help. And what did you say to me? Go!
I was wrong to treat you that way.
I'm not sorry. What did you say to me? How do you think I got rich? I got rich.
Oh, yeah, of course he did. That's it? Wow. Wait. Is that an 8-bit version of the Incredibles song? That's awesome! That's amazing! Alright guys, so that was actually really funny. I really liked that one. I think my favorite part has got to be when Bob kept, like, slamming the door. He just kept having problems with the door, but honestly, great editing and great humor, and it was really funny. I really enjoyed that one. A lot better than the last Incredible YTP I've seen. It's pretty good. I think they're really funny. I just think it was really funny. It surprised me, especially the Syndrome one. That was, wow, that was crazy. And then I think the last one I reacted to where Bob was like riding past the old lady. He did the same thing with this one. It's like, wow. But yeah, still, I really know that was pretty funny. I like that. It's always fun to watch these ones. They're always funny. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. I really do appreciate support. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more videos like this and other great content. And I'll be back next time with another video. Alright? See ya.